In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple Pay wallet shipping address on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, scroll down and you want to select where it says Wallet and Apple Pay. And then on the right side where it says Shipping Address, click in this field and you can enter in a new shipping address. Type in that relevant information, select Save to confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.